Welcome back to the channel Security, and today I will show you how to work with the products of Azure's Confidential Computing. Azure Confidential Computing has around 11 products, which include a confidential VM and containers. The containers are helpful if you want to set up Kubernetes services, SQL Azure Always Encrypted, which is a database service, Trusted Launch, and Azure's Confidential Ledger, which is for hosting unstructured data store in a trusted execution environment. Today, I originally planned to set up a confidential VM with you, but since we're working with the student program, the $100 credits Azure program, we can't actually do that because the size of the virtual machine is too big, and we would have needed to switch to pay as you go. But since Azure has more products for confidential computing, I will show you how to set up a key vault, which safeguards cryptographic keys and other secrets, and also to set up Azure Attestation. First of all, I always like to create a resource group first. We are gonna choose RG1 and RG3 and set it up in Western Europe. So that we will create our key vaults. You're just gonna type in into the marketplace key vaults. Click create. Now you're gonna create your key vault. You're gonna click the resource group that you just created, or if you have an existing one and want to have the key vault in there, you're gonna do that. And I'll choose for my key vault name just KV04, and the region needs to be the same region as in the resource group, so Western Europe. In the pricing tier, I'm gonna use standard because it supports HSM backend keys. And you can see the recovery option. I like to have that enabled in case something goes wrong, so you still have your keys. And now you're gonna just review and create and hope that everything fits. After it reviewed it, you can click create and Azure will create your own key vault. While the deployment is in progress, we can go back to Marketplace and set up our Azure Attestation. We do the same step as in the Key Vault as well. Type in your resource group and your name. I'm just gonna draw it as now. We're not gonna use a policy signer, so we can just tap create and review and create. I'm sorry. In the meantime, I can show you how to generate and import keys in the Key Vault. First, you're gonna navigate to your own Key Vault and click on Objects, and under Objects there's the option for keys, secrets, and certificates. We're just gonna click on keys. I'm just gonna show you how to generate a key. You're gonna click on Generate and Import. And then you have all the options on what key do you want. With the key vault, you can generate an encryption key for importing SM and HSM protective keys. I'm just gonna show you how to do that. You're gonna give it a name. I'm not very creative here. And I'm just gonna leave the key size. If you want to generate an encryption key, the key type is always gonna be RSA HSM. And now you can see choose an activation date and an expiration date. Currently my time is set on Auckland time, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for the demonstration. And you can also choose if you want your keys to be exportable and immutable. I don't need that at the moment, so we're just gonna create it and later delete it with the other resources. Now we can see if our attestation provider has been developing. With the attestation provider from Azure, you can set your own logs, policies, and policy signer certificates. Another thing that you can do with logs, as you can see, I added a log named log, and the log type is delete. Now if I want to try to delete my resource group, I won't be able to because of the log I've set it in my attestation provider. You can see my resource group is logged. If I want to actually delete it, I have to delete the log, and then I can delete my whole resource group again. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to set up different products of Azure Confidential Computing, and bye.